Hey there, fellow foodies. Welcome to Pharmacist Online, the go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're going to talk about the keto diet, and more specifically, how to create a keto diet menu for beginners. So whether you're looking to lose weight or just want to try something new, this video is for you. Starting a new diet can be intimidating, especially when you're not sure what to eat. But fear not, we've got you covered. Here's a sample of the keto diet menu for beginners. First up, breakfast. We recommend scrambled eggs cooked in butter or coconut oil, along with some bacon or sausage and a side of creamy avocado. For a mid-morning snack, try a handful of almonds or macadamia nuts, or some celery sticks with cream cheese. Trust us, it's the perfect pick-me-up to get you through the day. Moving on to lunch, we suggest grilled chicken breast with roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and mushrooms. And for an extra burst of flavor, add some crispy bacon and a high-fat dressing like ranch or blue cheese to a Caesar salad. Another snack to keep you going. How about some cheese cubes and olives, or a couple of hard-boiled eggs? Simple yet satisfying. Now on to dinner. 2 options to choose from: grilled salmon with asparagus and a side salad, or a juicy steak with sautéed spinach and garlic butter. Both are mouth-watering and perfect for any occasion. And last but not least, dessert. Try some sugar-free Jell-O with whipped cream, or indulge in some keto chocolate fat bombs made with coconut oil, cocoa powder, and stevia. Yum! There you have it, a keto diet menu for beginners that's easy to follow and full of flavor. Remember, everyone's dietary needs are different, so feel free to adjust this menu based on your individual needs and preferences. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Pharmacist Online, for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.